If you're wondering how to manage contacts in TeamGate CRM, this video will walk you through the most effective and efficient ways to do so. We'll cover everything from adding new contacts to managing your existing list, making sure you're set up to maximize your CRM experience. The first thing you need to do when managing contacts in TeamGate is to add new ones. You can either manually input contact details or import them in bulk from a CSV file. Just go to the Contacts section, click Add Contact, and fill in the details. TeamGate allows you to easily store key information like phone numbers, emails, and other personalized fields to help you stay organized. The import feature is particularly useful if you're migrating from another CRM or starting fresh with a large set of data. Next thing you'll want to do is segment your contacts into categories. TeamGate gives you the flexibility to group contacts by custom tags, companies, or even specific pipelines. This allows you to easily filter and organize your contacts for quicker access when you need them. It's perfect for sales teams who want to target specific types of customers or leads. Keep in mind, though, that while the grouping options are convenient, they might not be as advanced or customizable as what you'll find with some other CRMs, like HubSpot or Zoho. The third thing is to stay on top of your follow-ups and communication history. In TeamGate, every time you interact with a contact, whether by email, phone, or meeting, the system logs the activity. This is crucial for keeping a full history of your interactions, so you never miss a beat. You can also set reminders for follow-ups, ensuring that no opportunity slips through the cracks. However, while these features are solid, they might not be as robust in automation and workflow efficiency as some competitors like Salesforce. Now, the fourth thing to look at is contact details management. In TeamGate, you can quickly update and customize contact fields. If you need to add more information about a contact, it's as simple as editing their profile. But it's worth noting that this can feel a bit limiting compared to more flexible platforms that offer deeper customization options. Still, for small to medium-sized teams, it should be more than sufficient. Another useful feature is TeamGate's integration options. You can connect TeamGate to various third-party tools like Gmail, Google Calendar, and other essential software you may already be using. This helps streamline your contact management and sales processes. However, for teams looking for extensive integrations or more API capabilities, you might find the offering here somewhat limited compared to other CRMs. Finally, if you're managing your contacts and sales pipeline with TeamGate, you'll find the interface is clean and intuitive, which makes it easy to navigate. But while TeamGate does a great job simplifying contact management, it might fall short if you're looking for in-depth analytics and advanced reporting features that other CRM tools like Salesforce or Zoho CRM offer. So, while TeamGate CRM offers a solid way to manage contacts, there are other CRMs out there that can give you better flexibility and customization for growing your business. If you're looking for a more feature-rich solution with superior analytics and integrations, you should definitely check out some alternatives. By the way, I've linked a special offer below where you can get an exclusive and extended free trial for TeamGate CRM. But I've also included some amazing alternatives in the description that might be a better fit for your specific needs and goals. These alternatives also come with their own free trial, so you can test them out risk-free before making a decision. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Check them out.